Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix up some power windows. Mine are, at the moment, they go down, so you can see they go down fine. Then when I can try and put them up again, you can hear the clicking. It's not working, and now it works. So I'll try and fix that up and show you guys how to do it. Okay, so basically this is what's going to happen. In here there's two screws, so you pull this little rubber bit out, let's put that to the side. Up in there you can see one there, one over there. You have to undo them. Back here you got a clip around about here and around about here. You're going to have to pop that out, so I'll just quickly do that. Okay, so that's that out now. What you have to do is grab, because I've done this a few times, I'm able to just grab here and pull that up. Now the trick is this bit here, this power windows, because it goes down deep a bit, you got to sort of unclick that from the back in there. You can see, so it's plastic, so it sort of bends a little bit, but you don't want to force it too much. Whoops. Okay, it's very hard doing it one-handed. Okay. So I click that out and just sort of gently pull that out. So there we go. Now under here, you can see there's a clip, so pull that out, and there you go. That's out. Now next step, you're going to want to pop this out. So under here you can see there's some tabs. There, there, and then two under there. So I'll just push them in. And out that comes. Now here, there's even more tabs. But what I'll do is I'll go into the shed and do the rest of this. Alright, so take this off. Got tab here, here, and here. So they need to be pushed in. Can be tricky. Go. Better. There we go. So they're all clicked. Now that should, theoretically, that just slides through. Be careful these buttons though. Oh crap. Right, just popped it off now. See, that's separated. Okay, so these switches, what you need to do, you can see right here, they're sort of on plastic bit, so you get your screwdriver in there and just gently, because you don't want to break it, pop that off that side, get in here, pop that off that side. Make sure you see, be careful because you don't want these things to go flying everywhere. There is springs in here, so be careful of that. Now what we're doing, you'll see these bits in here. You see how that's quite dirty, especially right there. There's all that black. Hopefully you can see it. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean that up using a bit of that. Bit of CLR. So just follow the directions in the bottle, I guess, to clean it up. Just put them into the CLR for a minute or so. Make sure you wash them off in some water, dry them off, and then we'll put it back in and see how we go. Okay, so I've now cleaned them all, so they're there all over the place. So I now have to put this back together. You have to also make sure that you manage to clean those pads in there, because they're also dirty. And I guess just a word of warning, be careful when you're taking it apart, because I've already slipped and cut myself with the screwdriver. So I'll put it back together and I'll show you when it's done. One thing I've just noticed, guys, is so I should let you know, these are actually different, some of these buttons. So you can see this one here is a little bit flat, where this one sort of curves to the outside. So that's obviously the far right one. You've got this one here, which also curves to the left, so that goes on the outside here. And this flat one here goes in the middle. I only tell you that because I've just realised that I stuffed it up when I first took it apart. So yeah, make sure you do that. It makes it a lot easier when you have to take it apart, if you have to take it apart in the future. You can see it's all back together. Now it's just a matter of sliding that in there, make sure the buttons all, while it's apart, I want to give it a clean. There we go. So slide that up in there, make sure the buttons go through nicely, and click. Now let's go test it out in the car. Alright, so here goes, driver's window. Goes all the way down. Okay, so you can hear the clicking. Straight up. Straight down. Straight up. Albeit slow, but that's not the power switch. Look at that. Done. Alright, so I hope that helps.